Hello. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now we're about to check out Kep1er. Giddy or Giddy? Yes. Oh my god, Kep1er. It's been a minute. How you doing? How you doing, ladies? You staring really. Whoa. You mean mugging me? What you got? They'll probably all jump me. You know what? And I'll be just take it. Alright. Looks good, yeah. Be sure to check out the links in the description down below. Join the Discord, whatever, you know, Twitch, Dre Day, come through. Kep1er, let's get it, let's go. Play my intro. Alright, y'all. We got Kep1er. Giddy. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. I don't know why I make noises when I do that. I do apologize. Bass! Oh my god, they look so good. Give me some. Okay, different angles. Bahi. Yeah, let's go, girl. La la la. Sometimes I like to believe that I'm a bad bitch, like them. Ooh. They did some egg yolk like that cat. They did. They went like this. You do you, sis. It's cute though. And Hikaru just started it off too. Bias is Hikaru, by the way. No! That means I gotta do it now. Ah! Oh my. Get it. What? Take my hand and what? Oh, they're in a maze. Oh! Hey! Oh, let me see Hikaru. Get it! Oh, back to the base too. What an interesting. What is that called? Like, just. I was gonna say not transaction. Like when they changed they just all of a sudden just change it. What? I can't think right now. What is that called? You know what I'm talking about. When they change up the sound, like out of nowhere. I can't think of the word right now. Ooh. Oh, she is slaying. Yes, Miss Ma'am. That's my bias. She killing it though. Swear up. Oh, she looks cute in the dress too. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Oh, you got the key to who? Almost the key to my heart. Let's go, miss. Oh, sorry, I got the mouse in the way. Like the mouse cursor. What? Hints of. I'm dizzy, but I like. Dizzy from what? Dancing? Body roller be getting dizzy though. Ooh. I can't do that. I'm a grown ass, but I can't be doing. Nah! Just accept it, Dre. Ooh, yes, Miss Ma'am. She's always slaying. I'm giddy. Wait, hold up. I'm giddy. So giddy. So giddy. I must say that when I'm tipsy. when you drink, like, you know, you're not drunk but you're just tipsy, but you're just like, girl, I'm so giddy. Oh. You know, you'll only catch me do this only on video. I will never do this live. You can't pay me enough to do that live. Not Hikaru. Ow! Ooh, the outfit though. Ow! Keep it up. So giddy. So like that. Oh, are they in a dollhouse? She's a Titan from Attack on Titan. Girl. You just killed your member? What the? What? What an ending. I'll put in the comments down below what you guys think of Kep1er's Giddy. Bass got my bass thumping, and by that I mean it got my heart, my chest bumping like this, my ass like flexing like ah 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 ah. Every time my bass hits, you already know it's good. This part right here. Then back to the like regular schedule. I do love me a good bass though. I do like me a good bass. I still don't understand. Like, wait, hold up. They like who? This is what they. My God, she's just going in there, just grabbing. That's trippy. Guys, put a comments down below what you guys think of Kep1er's Giddy. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Guys, check out the links in the description down below. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.